Okay, last teeth. Ready, go. The lead right now is IRD, and he's in blue. The lane that could be in. But he's almost a lap back. He's got to get that lap back in the last 2 minutes to take the win. IRD just needs to stay on the track. There's no other race on track. The other two trucks are a ways back. Six O's for green. Blue is doing 6-1. But he's risking it. He's driving side by side with Victor. Don't put yourself in danger. You've got half a lap lead with a minute to go. There's the leader of the heat. Coming around to catch, that's the leader of the race. Leader of the race coming around here in blue. Scott's giving it all he can, but I don't think he's going to make it. 40 seconds. Green? Two seconds. We're down to 30 seconds to go. IRD goes to 108, 109 now. 109 puts them tie with the fastest of the last group. 110, he puts him into the lead. 111. Keep going, gentlemen. Scott gets to 111 with the second place truck. It doesn't make that lap, but it is going to be scored by distance as well, so it will get that distance.